acrylics basics, creating the perfect ombre blend. So first off, you're going to get your tip. These are the XL Coffin tips from Bexy Glow, and then I make sure I make that really blended. Now this is important to your ombre because you want to make sure you've got plenty of room to build upon the top of that. So I also then go in with a clear base. I do this with pretty much all of my sets as a rule, just because it really helps with adhesion. Then I go in with my white. So I'm going to place that around about 2/3 of the way up the nail, and I'm going to place that bead, gently coax a little bit of it down, and then using my brush, gently push it into place and feather the back of that bead back. This is the most important step when it comes to creating any ombre blend. Once I've done that, I'll just blend that towards the tip. Now I am working probably thinner than normal because again, I'm building a few layers here. So then I go in with my bead that goes over the blend area. So I will make sure that's reasonably well drained. I will place it over the ombre area, make sure the back of it is nice and flush with the nail, and then bring the front of the bead towards the tip, just as I am there. Then I'll go in with my cuticle bead and just make sure that's really neat, nice and tucked in, because obviously I don't want it to be filing too much around the customer's cuticle area. And then I'm going to blend that down again. Now with this one, I decided I wanted the bead to be, the blend rather, to come a little bit further up the nail towards the tip. Towards the free edge rather. So I've just gently put another bead on. I'm using Bexy Glow system here, and it blends really, really nicely. It's a really, really lovely powder to work with. And if you are enjoying these videos as well, please do make sure you give us a like and a follow, because we're dropping new content all the time. So we then go in with our capping bead. Now I do cap the whole nail. I haven't left that in, but if you do want to see that, let me know and I can do a separate video for you. Then I'll shape it, file and buff, and I go in with my top coat. I hope that helps, but if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.